Hello everyone. Yeah, continue the topic on file handling. Now we already started discussing of the file concept in a read mode. So now try to write one more example with a read mode. Some F2 is equal to open some file name, file name 2 dot text comma write mode. It create a file with a file name 2 and write mode. Now some F2 dot write anything like this is Python programming. F2 dot write this is a second line. F2 dot write this is third line. Now just try to copy this program and try to execute it. Yeah, indent operation we need to take here. So this file name 2 is created. We'll see that. The file name 2. See, this is a Python programming and this is the second line and third line. Okay, we not given any slash n, so that here also slash n. Yes. Now we'll see. So like this, the file is created with the name of file name 2 and this data will be write into the data in this file. Now we need to discuss about a append mode. This is a write mode. Now append mode. Yeah, same thing. Just instead of W we have to write A. Now just modify here A. So now what happens? Whatever the existing data file do, only data will be appended. Just see. So already existing this is 3 lines are there, right? After that, again these 3 lines will be added. Save it first. Now save. Now open the. See, again 3 lines will be added. So hope you understand. Yeah, this is about a how we can do the files with a read mode, write mode, and append mode. Hope you understand. Thank you.